Basically, EMIS is for our administrators, educational technologies for the teachers and students. As easy as that. Let's proceed to our third statement, no? EdTech is synonymous with instructional technology. Is this real or fake? Three, two, one. The answer is... So yes, based on our module, no, sinasabi po doon that EdTech is synonymous with instructional technology, and instructional technology was defined, no, as the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of process of resources for learning. Of course, to further our knowledge on here, nag-research po ako, no, and I found this resource from Gary Anglin that is entitled Instructional Technology. Dito, pinagtapat niya itong dalawang terms na ito. He tried to revisit different sources, no? Cited different sources until he came up with the definitions you see in your screen, no? If you would read further, makikita nyo that there's something common, no? They both highlight the practical use of various knowledge. You see, sabi dito, to the solution of instructional problems, to the solution of educational problems. So, in essence, both are systems that apply strategies and technologies to improve the educational outcomes by addressing ito pong ating mga learning-related issues. And in my experience, isa sa mga issues na talagang tinatarget nitong technology ay boredom among our students. Madali pong maboard ang mga high school students natin ngayon, no? Kumbaga kung wala kang technology na gagamitin, naku, talagang hindi po sila makikinig, no? So in order for us to solve that, we have instructional or educational technology, synonymous terms. Let's proceed to question number 4, statement number 4. EdTech refers to both analog and digital technologies. Is this real or fake? The answer is 3, 2, 1. This is... Kasi, commonly, when we think of educational technology, ang lagi natin naiisip, ito lang, no? We have digital media, computers, and the internet, no? So, kailangan po lawakan natin yung definition natin. It also includes the analog, the print, the photographs, our films, videos, and audios. Kasama po yan sa ating educational technology. Let's proceed to the last statement, no? EdTech is the same with e-learning. Real or fake? 3, 2, 1. The answer is... So hindi po sila parehas, no? Actually, I tried to revisit, no? Ito pong source from Barcelona Activa, at ang pinapakita po dito, EdTech was defined, no, as the evolution of the new digital technologies applied in the classroom to facilitate the learning process. Samantala, e-learning is defined as the set of training activities. It refers to the activities that are developed through the device connected to the network. Easily said, ang ibig sabihin po nito, EdTech refers to the use of technology. Samantala, itong e-learning, it is the actual learning that takes place through digital platforms. Okay? Sige, so with the 5 statements we learned, no, in summary, I believe that while educational technology enriches the learning experience, no, its true potential will be realized only when utilized alongside the expertise and guidance of our skilled educators. So, by embracing EdTech, ito pong ating EdTech as a supportive tool, we can foster an environment where teaching and learning can thrive. Ayan. So now that you've answered all the questions, let's see how you did. Count your stars. If you got 5 stars, congratulations, and you're on your way to becoming an educational technology expert. If you did not quite make this time, no, do not worry po. This is all about learning together. I want you to reflect on the statements and think about why you answered the way you did. All right? And of course, gusto ko pong makita sana dito sa inyong mga reply kung nakailang stars kayo. And then of course, paki-include na rin po ang inyong mga kasagutan in these discussion questions that I have. These are my references. God bless you. Ayan. And thank you for participating in our challenge. Keep exploring and thinking critically about how technology can impact our education. Until next time, keep shining. Thank you. Bye-bye.